Hello YouTube. Been quite a long time since a video. I've been had a new job, busy getting caught up on bills. I haven't been able to do any work on my Sears Suburban 12. But I managed to buy this from a local scrapyard. It's been sitting there the last 7 months, and thank God it was still there for $100. What a beauty. There's the original tires, which is great. They seem to be holding air. Well, one of them. It needs some new inner tubes anyway. I've seen one version of these on YouTube. Only one video so far I've been able to find. It did not have this. I wonder if this is an add-on. But I think it might very well be original. Well, looks like. Anyway, the motor is free. Seat's a little toasty. I pressure washed it without thinking and damaged the sticker, which has really bugged me. Rooney, anybody else that knows where I can get a copy of this, please let me know. Also, one of the biggest problems I've spotted so far is this is all rotted out. The other side is good. So I need this plate. It appears. Please help me find some parts. I don't know what to tell. There's a 62 in the serial number, so I wonder, does that mean it's a 62? But otherwise, she's all there. Everything moves. Jack moves up and down. Apparently no grease points in the steering system. I haven't found any. It's just it looks like somebody repaired a crack at one time. I almost wonder if this is put on the right way. Seems like it's backwards. This front axle. It's got hard front wheels. Do they say Craftsman on them? Sears? Nothing. But this is going to be my lawnmower for my property. I have a small lawn, so this will be fine. So in a little while I'll put a new plug in it and look into fixing the carb, or maybe putting a carb kit in it, a new air filter. Probably change oil a couple times on it at least. New gas lines. Clean out the gas tank. That's my cat being a pain. Yeah, you. So if anyone can help me with information, like it's a Sears Craftsman, Sears Craftsman what? That's what I don't know. The part numbers on there. Just noticed. So it looks like I just need that rear axle part, and hopefully there's nothing more beyond that. I haven't really looked into it too much. Hopefully I don't have to put a bearing in there too. I'd like to get the seat, something done with the seat. I don't know what. If anyone has any ideas, like where can I get that recovered or replaced? I want to keep it as original as possible. Please let me know. Alright guys, next update will be probably trying to get this thing started. I'll put some fuel in it and a spark plug, and if I get it started I'll do a startup video. Alright, thanks for watching.